Welcome back to Joe's Bistro. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform raw chicken breasts into perfectly juicy, golden brown pan-seared chicken in under 2 minutes. Let's get started. For this recipe, obviously we'll need about 2 pounds of chicken breast, already seasoned for at least 30 minutes. Turn on the heat and test the pan with a few drops of water. If the water droplets dance and glide across the surface, your skillet is ready. Wipe off the water and add a splash of regular cooking oil. Carefully lay the chicken breasts in the skillet, away from you to avoid oil splatters. Now don't move them. They will release easily when they are ready. Remember, meat shrinks as it cooks. Look at that beautiful golden brown crust. Flip them over, and once they're fully cooked, remove them and lay down the next batch. The secret behind cooking in aluminum or stainless steel without sticking is the Leidenfrost effect. When your pan reaches the right temperature, a microscopic layer of water vapor forms instantly beneath the chicken. This vapor layer acts as a physical barrier, allowing the meat to hover and sear perfectly without gluing to the metal. Once your chicken breasts are cooked, transfer them to a plate or tray and let them rest for at least 10 minutes. Resting allows the natural juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every single bite stays tender and incredibly juicy. And we are done, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to slice these up since they're going into another recipe. I hope you enjoyed this short but essential cooking technique. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and check out my full playlist of culinary skills right here. See you next time. Ciao.